My ingredients, guys. This is my flour. This is my eggs. This is my eggs, and then baking powder, and then bicarbonate of soda. This is sugar. This is margarine, coconut, milk. This is fresh milk. This is vanilla essence. So I'm going to mix all these things together, right? I'm going to dissolve the margarine. Yes, I'm dissolving the margarine, making it liquid. I'm going to add my cup of coconut. This is a cup of coconut. This is the coconut I'm talking about. And then my oil. That's my oil, as you see. So I'm going to use my hands to mix this for my dough to be the way I want it. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to put the 2 spoons of vanilla essence here, and then I'm going to add a cup of milk. Together, mixing all this thing together. So let me use my hands, they are clean, as you see, to mix everything. I'm going to pour the milk inside. This is the milk. Pour a little bit of milk. This is what I blend, so I'll be eating. I'm drinking my blended juice. This is my clean pan. I'm going to use it for baking. First and foremost, I put the oil inside. I have to put the oil inside. I'll just put the olive oil. So I'm going to put the flour here on my side, on my table. And I'm going to take my dough. I'll be using my bottle. Remember, I'm in Africa. I can use anything to prepare my dough. I'm going to use the cup to make the scones. This is my scones. So if you want to make an order, I'm available for orders. Hello? So I'm going to bake some scones now. This is the scones that I made, guys. As you can see, they're yummy, yummy. See how they look like? These are the scones. So wherever you are, if you want to place order, you can do so. I'll leave my contact number on my channel, and then if you want to place order for scones, yes. If it happened that you are in Botswana, you can place order. So please subscribe to my channel. I was in my kitchen and I was doing the baking. So please place order and give it, if you like the scones, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe, please subscribe. Thank you. Thank you. I love you. Peace.